All right, so I did something I probably shouldn't have, but here we are. We got a new golf cart. This is very exciting, and Gigi does not know about it. So what we're gonna do, she gets off in 10 minutes at her massage down the road. We're gonna go pick her up in the golf cart, and we'll see how this goes. I'm not sure if she'll be happy or concerned, to be honest with you. This is so fun. I'm really not quite sure how well this works. I did take it around the block a little bit, but I have not taken it anywhere far. Let's see how this goes. So what I'm gonna do is take the streets that are not the main streets. Usually I would go that way, but in this scenario, this is not street legal. As you can see, there's no mirrors anywhere, no license plate behind me. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take this on these back streets right here that are just a lot safer. Hopefully no police stop us, and even more hopefully we don't have it run out of battery while we're there. That would be pretty bad. So let's see how this goes. Still gotta obey road signs. Oh, there's people behind me. Oh no, I'm concerned. I'm coming up to the turn. I just realized I have no turn signals because again, it's not street legal. Oh boy. Let's hope we don't get pulled over because I don't want a ticket on my first day of getting this golf cart. On the bright side, it does go very slow. I guess that's the bright side for safety reasons. Oh no, there's someone right behind me. Okay, that's not the bright side. Oh dear Lord, I need to pull over. Oh, they're mad. They're mad. I'm sorry. They shot right past me. Okay, we can do this. We're on a mission. She gets out in 5 minutes. I don't even know if this thing's fast enough to make it there on time. Well, that was close. I hope they don't get me. I hope I got away with it. There we go. That's the lights off. Maybe that'll give me a little extra boost in power since we're not running the headlights. Gang, gang. Illegal U-turn. Gotta do what we gotta do. She gets out in 60 seconds. Oh God, we're still not there. Oh man, what are we gonna do? Oh, that's another cop. That's an undercover for sure. This might have been a bad idea to meet her. This thing is so incredibly slow. Now it's when it's a bit more dicey. So you know what? I'm just gonna go here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, actually. This is really fun. Oh shit. We got someone on a Suron coming our way. I think we're cooked, chat. I think we are cooked. All good, all good, all good.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's all good. All right, they were chill, they were chill. It is 3 o'clock on the dot right now. That means Gigi is probably getting out, leaving the facility as we speak. So what might end up happening is she might see me on the road, which honestly might just be more hilarious than me pulling up to her massage. Hey, you know, it's slow, but when you're on the sidewalk, this thing kind of hauls. Because like when everything's tighter, it feels way faster. Another thing is it's not very smooth at all. Yeah, brutal. Go. This road right here. No one's around, okay. Oh my gosh, uphill it struggles. This is flooring it right now. And I am just crawling through that intersection. Okay, Gigi's somewhere in this plaza right here. I hope we catch her before she leaves. Shit, she's calling me right now. How did it go? You want to look to your left for a second? Hi. How are you? Yeah, I bought it. Just park up real quick. I came to find you and you already got in your car. I can hear you getting in. Hi. Say what? Hello to our new golf cart. Her name's Betsy.
Betsy?
Yeah.
I like Betsy.
Uh-huh.
She's also got some personality.
Little character. Definitely has character. She needs love. She needs a little love.
This is the most craziest thing you've done.
This is life. It's a life worth living. And we have an EZGO golf cart named Betsy.
I love Betsy.
Betsy has headlights too. Check it out.
Wait.
Wait, ready? Ta-da.
Ah! It's so cute.
Yeah.
I like Betsy. She's so cute.
She's ours.
Baby,
I got it for us.
you're so sweet.
Yeah. You love it?
I love
We're gonna.
her.
By the way, bigger part of the surprise. The golf cart parade for Christmas is tomorrow. Yes.
No.
So we're gonna get lights and put it all over Betsy, and we're gonna take in the golf cart parade.
Wait, can we go put the lights on?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah. I wanted to wait outside the massage place for you to walk out, but you're calling me and I'm in the intersection and there was a cop behind me and I'm recording. So I'm holding the camera here, talking to you, trying to like make it sound like I'm not in a golf cart.
Oh my God.
And then I could hear you driving already. So I was like, all right, let me just park up because I knew this was on the way to the Publix that you're gonna go to. So I was like, yeah, get the water. So I park up right here and then I see you.
I was like, that one with that same golf cart we just saw?
You were so confused. Your face, you were like, I'm looking at you.
Yeah, I was like,
And you're like, are you in a golf cart? Very slow. That's the one thing, is she's very, very slow. Oh, she's also not street legal. So we can take it on sidewalks. We can take it through, like
We could
in
take it on-
Abacoa. In Abacoa, they don't really care. You don't need to do the brake. You just move this over. Yeah. In Abacoa, they don't really care. But on the main street is where it's a little like dicey.
oh, okay. So like, is it best to take her on sidewalks?
Yeah, it's
If
best to
you're
just
going
not
up.
take her on the main street. It's really like an Abacoa thing. So we can go to downtown Abacoa. We can go if we want to come here to
such an
Alton. We gotta
extra
take
thing
the
to
sidewalk.
have.
Yeah, it's
We
so
should-
tiny. It's
we
tiny,
should-
but when you see it in the garage, it looks
Can
really
we
small.
put like
the
little
dirt bike is
plate
bigger.
and put her name on it?
Yes, that would be so great. All right, so you guys have seen Betsy, the new golf cart on the channel, and well, we cannot leave anything stock here. In this box is something very important for Betsy. We ordered some back seats for the golf cart, and I think it's gonna be an amazing ad. That way we can take more than just 2 people on the golf cart. So this is the unboxing, and then we're gonna go fit this on the golf cart ASAP. Ooh. These might be a little bit darker color than the stock ones, but it's hard to get the actual exact color, especially since this one has been around since 2001. So the color has changed over time. This is what they look like new. And then this is gonna be the footrest. Also comes with this little net thing. So you can turn the back of it into like some sort of basket. We'll see how this turns out. I don't know, it's Chinese, so don't have high expectations. All right, so it's time to replace this for some back seats. This is originally to hold the golf clubs in it. So we kind of have 2 videos going on right now at the same time. We have this video where we're obviously gonna replace the back seats. And then we have this one over here. Let me just give you a little tour. So you guys might remember this workbench. This is the one I got for my birthday this past year, which is very exciting. We got all sorts of tools and everything that we need for the shop so that we can create some awesome content. And so this is another video right here that we're working on, and I'll give you a preview. Ta-da! So if you guys have seen the R8 on the channel, I had bought this as a gift for Justin, except it was gray and it had black interior, and that's not his spec. So I went ahead and painted it black and painted the seats red, and then we're gonna put this all back together, as well as I found an Aventador that is actually his same exact spec, the yellow SV. So we're gonna put all this together. We're gonna give it to him today, actually tonight, for his birthday. That's a whole other video. For today, we're gonna focus on the golf cart. So I'll just put this here to protect it. Leave that on the side for now, and let's get into this. One of the first things that we have to do is unbolt this back seat, or the front seat right here. So if you look, we have a couple bolts right here. So I'll grab that socket right now and we'll get to it. Look at how many sockets we have here. Isn't this amazing? We did not have this at the start of the channel. We just had our trusty dusty, this right here. That was our entire setup for the channel before. And now, look how blessed we are. We have a whole ass cart. So something that I definitely recommend that's been a huge game changer is these magnetic, we're not sponsored or anything, but I just love this thing because like you drop the screws in, they don't move around. And if you really wanted to, you could like store it on the side of something metal like that. And I think the screws will even stay in. Yeah, which is just so wild. So this has been so convenient, and it comes with this. So like if you were to like, let's say drop a screw like behind something and you couldn't reach it, you could just extend this and pick it up. super handy. It was super cheap. Can't remember exactly how much it was, but very, very cheap. So definitely get one of these. The one we'd probably have to, oops. Yeah, so there's only 4 bolts there, so on the 4th one it'll fall if you're not holding it. Should have mentioned that earlier. All right, next step is unbolt these. Oh, but so right after we unbolt these, we're gonna have to grab one of these broomsticks to hold this up because it's only being held by these bars right here. Okay. Good.
Hold on. Go ahead.
So now we're going to take these 4 bolts out, holding these, and remove them. So this is just going to remove right out, and our broomstick is going to hold it. So we'll put this off to the side because we're going to reuse this. Yeah, so to get to this bolt right here, we have to remove this little basket because it's kind of in the way. It's just 3 bolts, 1, 2, and then 3, and it comes right off.
What feels good?
That's a funny way to start a conversation. These handles feel so good. I'm just used to working with cheap stuff. So you get the good stuff. Feels nice.
Tell us about it.
Feels, well, satisfying. Many clicks, listen.
ASMR.
That's good.
Brand.
DeWalt. Everything DeWalt.
Do the thing where you cover up the light in the back.
Oh yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
Today's haul.
Yep.
Okay, so next thing is all we have to do is remove these 4 bolts right here, and this whole assembly comes off. It's honestly the simplest thing to take this thing apart. That's all 4 bolts, so this should come right out.
She looks like she's missing something.
Yeah, well she is. We're gonna go ahead and replace that piece that we just took out with the pieces in the kit. So let's go grab that. So there was supposed to be a screw package that said 7 on it. I didn't see it, so we're just gonna reuse the other ones. All right, so in typical China fashion, obviously they had to miss some screws. So we came over to Home Depot and bought some of these. What size were these again?
3/8 by 16.
Yeah.
It fit onto that one.
Yep. So we the issue with the original ones is they were too long. So we're just getting some that are the same thread, but just shorter. And then we got some washers as well, just to give it some more surface area to hold on to. And well, hopefully this is good. We're gonna see. So for these, it's easier to start with this top screw right here because the bottom one kind of has this slit, so you can line it up later as long as this top one is lined up. So always start with this one.
We can remove the broom.
Yeah, we can remove. I learned my lesson with over tightening screws. Back whenever we were working on the wing project over there, I over tightened the screw, broke the trunk screw, and those screws are like welded in. In fact, if it's open, I can show you. It's not, so you're out of luck. But basically, there was a screw that holds this trunk on down here, and I over tightened it, snapped it right off. Had to buy a whole new trunk, or tap this one, which is actually what we ended up doing. We just drilled into it, tapped a new hole.
What's the next step?
All right, so these things go in to those holes right there, something like that. Or maybe back till they go like this. And then we use one of these bolts from screw bag number 1, which sounds like a euphemism or anything. Sounds like an insult. Screw bag number 1.
So we've got the
So now we lay
parts
in the bed.
that secure.
Yeah, these are the parts that hold the bed up. So now we gotta place the bed. This is the fun part.
Fun part. Let's go get the bed.
Let's go. Hey, that was loud.
Are you okay?
I almost got castrated.
Oh. Oh yeah, these ones go here.
All right, so basically, you see there's like 1 bolt on each one. but you see all these holes? I think these are here for like other model golf carts, so that if you needed to mount these like in different holes. In our case, these kind of line up here and you only need one bolt. That's what the instructions say, just one on each one of these. So yeah, we're just gonna bolt it like that, and that's how it's supposed to go.
Yeah, I
was
love
on the
how it
fly
just...
while we were recording, when I told you meet Betsy, at that moment is when I came up with the name.
I love that. What we got there?
Alright, so these are the handles that are gonna go on the sides, like so.
Oh, nice.
This round nut right here needs to be on the outside, because if it's on the inside like we originally put it, it actually will block this from opening all the way. But now we got it right, so make sure you do it this way.
What's this?
This is the footrest.
Nice. How's it feeling? Sturdy? Definitely gained some length to it.
All right, so we're in the final steps. We're holding up the cushion here and just going down and tightening each one of these Allen keys, and that's it. We are gonna be done, and then we're gonna go test this, make sure it works, and that's it for this install.
All right, the license plate is going on and it's gonna fit perfectly right over there. Okay, Betsy's all ready.
And that's it. That's the install for this. As you can see, works great for taking 4 people, or if you wanted to fit a cooler, all you gotta do is pop this open, and then now you have a flatbed to put whatever it is, haul shit around. Anyway, thanks for watching.